want to talk about my experience with my last coloring hair at home. I was pleased for the beginning, but my hair tend to have in some area where my highlights were some different type of color, so I wasn't pleased. So I go and make an appointment on my hairdresser, but she said that she couldn't color my hair because I was coloring my hair that week or a week ago, and the pigment is already in the hair, and because I just put dark color on my bleach hair, when she will color my hair will have a tint of khaki color or something like this, like we don't want. So I go back home and I have 3 washes, and already I managed to take out my pigment of my hair, but I was using some natural method like apple cider vinegar and baking soda, but I was reading on internet obviously, but baking soda I was using 2 times when I was washing my hair, 2 washes, but was drying my hair so much. Like you see guys, it is so dry, but the pigment is gone, and today is Friday, and on Monday I have my hair appointment. I'm so pleased because I want to color all my hair and to have a nice shadow. Like you see, my roots are darker and my mid ends are lighter, so I want to go back to my brunette or something like this color, because I don't know what color she can achieve, but I am done with hair coloring at home. I was trying, but for my experience didn't work. I want to go back to my brunette color because it is easier to maintenance, and I like it when I coloring my hair because has that nice shine, which on bleach hair you didn't achieve this. When you go blonde, guys, you have to be very careful because your hair will be more drier, less shine, and a lot of problem with this. But I was trying to cover my gray, but I'm done with this. I will color my hair brunette, and after I will see my gray hair at 1 month, 1.5 months, maybe 2 months. I just coloring my roots, and that's it. So I will insert in this video some photos of my dark hair and how I achieve a lighter color using only baking soda mixed with conditioner and some water and some apple cider vinegar. Beside of this, guys, I was using Head and Shoulders because anti-dandruff shampoo strip your pigments of your color, and when you want to take out the pigment of your hair, use anti-dandruff shampoo. So I just put my hair mask because my hair is so dry, so I want to improve my hair health until Monday when I go to the salon to color my hair professionally. So I just put half an avocado, some I think 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and my mix of argan oil, but in this bottle I have put jojoba oil and grapeseed oil. So all of this will sit on my hair about an hour maybe. I just put my cap just to make sure that my hair isn't dry and more because of the oils, and outside it's so cold, it's so warm, sorry, so my hair tends to be more. So I will let my hair mask work, and after I will wash my hair and show you guys how it looks after this homemade mask. I will wash my hair with Head and Shoulders because I want to take out the pigment of my hair until Monday. It is my last wash. I have 4 washes in 5 days, I said. No, 6 days until Monday, and I want to remove a lot of my pigment with an anti-dandruff shampoo. So I will wash my hair after 1 hour, maybe 2, and I will catch up with you later to show you how my hair looks. In the past I was doing this type of hair mask, and I was so pleased because my hair feels soft and manageable, but I don't know, because I was using 2 times baking soda, and that was drying my hair so much. But I figured that help my pigment remove, and I make this type of conversation. So this is how my hair looks after I made that homemade mask. It has some shine, and most of it I noticed that at my ends it is more soft and not so dry and so crunchy like yesterday. So I will continue to use it to see any big difference in my hair, my healthy hair. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.